Welcome to the video. I'm going to show you something pretty cool that we've been working on. A tool that will make delay analysis considerably easier and faster for you. And in this short video, I will show you why, if you're serious about schedule analysis, this has to be in your toolkit. So we're in Primavera P6, looking at two updates of the same project. The top one from December and the bottom one is an update 1 month later in January. And good news, the projected finish date was accelerated by a little over 2 months. But you've been asked to study the schedules and explain why the finish date moved. You might start inside of Primavera with Claim Digger, their schedule comparison report inside their visualizer. It would compare the schedules and give you a list of everything that changed. Remember, you need to explain why the finish date was pulled in by over 2 months. Where do you start? You've got so much data here, and the answers are here, but you could spend many hours or even days figuring this out. More modern tools do a more sophisticated schedule comparison. This one is from our Project Analyzer product, and it will get you a little closer to the answers you're seeking, but still requires a lot of analysis on your part. Compare that to our new technology, Steelray Delay Analyzer. Here, you just load the project updates and analyze. In the timeline, we look at the comparison period we're interested in, that fifth one, and we can see that there were 106 days of progress delays, 7 days of progress recovery, and 168 days of recovery from schedule revisions. We click on this to see that a small delay of 12 working days caused a huge 106-day delay. So let's dig a little deeper there. As I drag the data date to the right, I can see the Gantt chart updating in real time, and this activity in question becomes non-critical. The black goes away. So the problem is elsewhere. In the network diagram, we go from the bottom up to the top, and we can see that there's an area where the critical path picks up again. So I'm going to look there at an activity in that part of the diagram. And now I see the real reason for the big delay. There's a predecessor that delays, and it pushes an activity over several months of non-working time, which is why that 12-day delay pushed the finish date by months. And now I have an answer in seconds instead of it taking me hours or days. For more information, please visit steelray.com. Thanks.